Indiana on the beat.
Selected Ebube Agu. Awgbu na bo ajeje.
Ona balagumbo, ona balagumbo. Ona balagumbo, ona balagumbo.
Hello people, Nigeria, Africa, the world, how you all doing? It's your boy, so the T, Ebube Agu, yeah.
Ebube Agu ne chago, Ebube na jasi solo ti ne mekago. Onye na ya ne bisiago.
Yeah, the coming of my new single titled Ebube Agu. That's what's new, people. That's what's new.
Aye mama, aye mama. No Awgbu na bo mune kwoku. Ego mbuta maka onye mbuta ogoliwe. Egbe belu kesi bene kukwanya apa. Akana kwanti n'ụwa manti anụna. Mana ebulisi agebulu nti tinyekwe.
Yeah, talking about my collaboration, I am very much happy to feature Awgbu, aka Egombute Special, the High Life Music Prime Minister himself. It is so joyful, it's so overwhelming to have such a caliber of person in my first official collabo. I am short of words right now. I say thank you, Awgbu. You're a lion. God bless you, big brother. Yeah. Ebube Agu, meaning the lion's glory. Yeah, the message and the concept of this song, Ebube Agu, is simple. The world is a jungle, so you either fight and dominate, or you hide and evaporate. That's simple. Be like the lion, be brave, be fearless. Set to take over on the 1st of July. That's when Ebube Agu will be dropping officially. Anticipate. Ebube Agu ne chago, Awgbu.
Onyakwana Awgbu